All right, Eric Stromk was here at the EZIO event, day one, the pre-reception. I am here with a guy that has a lot of energy, saves a lot of energy. I'm with Ron Lee from Nagel Energy Services. So man, tell our community about what you do.
Well, what we do is we do garage ventilation systems. We install demand control ventilation as compared to the current ventilation systems, which are on or off, are constantly on. We have been able to save through our technology 95% of the energy costs of a conventional garage that relies...
Whoa, hang on a second. 95%? That almost sounds too good to be true.
It is too good to be true, but it is true.
Now, how do you know it's true?
Because we do pre and post. We've done a lot of work with PG&E in San Francisco, where San Francisco PG&E has done pre and post verification of our systems.
Nice. So walk us through the system you're using. How are you doing this?
Well, what we're basically using is Niagara and FG controllers to integrate BACnet sensors and Modbus or BACnet VFD control, fan control, and ventilate the garage on a constant or on a demand ventilation basis. This has enabled us to save an incredible amount of energy in garage ventilation systems. Our biggest problem in sales has been trying to convince people we can save them 95% of their energy costs.
Well, so what happens here, I guess, is because they keep the ventilation going all the time when they don't need to? Is that part of the waste?
Yeah, what we do is we create a constant ventilation, so a reservoir of fresh air in the garage. So if we also do other things. So if a sensor or CO goes up in the garage, we don't react immediately to it. Because let's face it, 100 ppm for a couple of seconds ain't going to bother no one. So we gradually increase our speed on our VFDs from a baseline, bring that ventilation rate up, bring the CO down, and boom. And we have a lot of City of San Francisco garages. Japan Center almost never goes above 25% VFD speed. Almost never, because of the vast quantity of air that we bring into the garage. It just doesn't happen.
Very cool. So I'm assuming that you guys travel, or you just in location-wise, or?
Yeah, we'll go anywhere. We actually got a job. We might have a job coming up. I don't want to get ahead of myself. In Philadelphia, the Philadelphia City Garage. We're in negotiations with that right now.
Very cool. Well, listen, for our community out there that wants to get hold of you guys, what's the best website, Ron?
NagelEnergySolutions.com.
All right, well, there you have it. So listen, dude, they're playing some music, some American music. You look like your feet are itching, you're ready to start dancing, so I'm going to let you go, buddy. Thanks so much for talking with our community.
Well, thank you.
Good job, buddy.